Hello, everybody. Darwin Fortuna here, Fortuna Flow, your investment channel. Looking at crypto overall, green, positive, positive, positive. Looks like crypto overall is doing really well. Starting with Lido, staked Ethereum is doing pretty well, 10%. Solana is 3.7%. Uh, Matic is 7.3%. So some of them just jump out at you very quickly, and it looks like we are getting a little bit of a pump. Last week was not a great week, and it is much overdue and much needed to have a bit of a pump. You know what else changed? Tell you what else changed? The monthly. So remember how I said that October typically on a monthly basis is a positive month? We have just flipped it into a 0.5% positive on October 17th. So just 17th day. We've been red for the month until today. We just flipped that all the way around. You know what else went up a little bit? We had 20 on the fear and greed index. We still are at extreme fear, but we're about to flip back up into not as extreme as we've been in a little while. All right. So overall positive stuff happening. Again, green overall in the market. That looks beautiful. Don't we like that? Don't we like that, right? So Ethereum 2.7, BTC 1.8. BTC dominance at 38%, which is still pretty low. We want it a little higher. And the market cap for crypto has gone up slightly. $934 billion. We're getting better. So in the last 7 days, there's some coins that also have rebounded. Ethereum is 4% on the last 7 days. Bitcoin is 2.7% in the last 7 days. And we've been red for the last previous 7 days. So we're going back up. Solana still has ways to go. Has a lot of way to go. 1.3% to be able to make the last 7 days in the positive. What else we have going on? Litecoin is flat for the last 7 days. It's barely up for the day. Ethereum Classic is really being destroyed in the last 7 days. Still, it's in the red. As many coins are turning into the green for the last 7 days, other coins like Cardano down 6.2% in the last 7 days. Makes no sense. What's my thinking? Let's look at the charts. So Ethereum is we already retested the 1300, 1332. Try to flip it. It has not flipped it. I don't expect anything. If we go back down and get rejection again here, we're just going down back to the 1300, which is we've already flipped it as support. All right, so the 1300 should be support for Ethereum. It should be support. It should remain as support. Solana is being holding the $30 as support. It's been hanging back. That sell off after hitting the 31, 32, even almost 31.50, but it got rejection there. So what do we hope for? We hope that we're gonna maintain our 30.80, and if not 30.50 as support and bounce back up. But overall, I believe this week should be a good week. Bitcoin is above 19,000. It's been above 19,000 for quite some time. It was sideways for several days. From Friday all the way to today, it was sideways. But then something happened. We got this push back up, push down, push back up, push down, and we're trying to find create now what we're due for. So this is a higher high, this is a lower high. We should be getting a higher high and turn everything around. But the RSI is on the negative right now, which is down. So see, this is the 45-minute chart, just tells you what's been happening in the last 45 minutes. Topping tail right here, that's a sign of reversal right there. Always a sign of reversal. It's always a sign. Topping tail, always a sign that we're gonna go down, right? Bottoming tails typically a sign that we're gonna go up. Bottoming tail here should have been a sign of going up, but in fact, then it was validated by the topping tail right after. Okay, so volume picked up as it is not the weekend. You see the weekend volume, weekday volume, completely different. But overall, what's holding us back is the fact that we're expecting 0.75% up in the beginning of November, and literally that's it. There's no more expectations other than 0.75% being dumped on us on the market. So anything crazy going on? Nothing new. A lot of analysts are saying one thing that we heard today is that Ethereum, one of the Solana founders, is saying that Solana is not necessarily a Ethereum killer. In fact, it's just a complementary. It's just a much faster network, guys. Programmable network. A lot of people are saying that Bitcoin is closer to a bullish takeover than you think. More and more that's coming up. And why is that? Well, again, remember, guys, I told you we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 fire sales. 4 fire sales in Bitcoin's history. You are witnessing one right now. That said, I'm not going to take much more time from you. Markets are turning back up. Looks like we're going to have a great week. We do not have a lot of data coming up this week that would rattle Bitcoin or crypto. Tesla is reporting. Some other big companies are reporting. But it shouldn't be any surprise, right? No surprises this week, which we all need. We all need a little bit of calm times. All right, that said, subscribe, give it a like, share. This is your licensed architect here that happens to invest in crypto. There's a video coming up in Spanish now with an interview I did with Mikey. He holds a channel, an interesting investment channel that I would like you all to take a look at, and that's coming up tomorrow. Thank you.